Tortillas are a flatbread standard in Mexican cuisine. Tortilla factories and their associated stores can be found in all colonials of Puerto Vallarta. Many consist of a single machine, but several have multiple units operating. The factories make multiple types of tortillas, including harina, which is flour, and the most common, maize, which is corn. The process starts by washing and soaking the corn in a trough. It is then removed and rinsed in a separate bin before being placed in a grinder where it is milled. A ball is formed from this mash, which is then placed in the tortilla maker. The machine dispenses a small quantity of the paste, which is then rolled out into a tortilla. Tortilla is moved into an oven via a conveyor belt where it is cooked. The conveyor belt then moves the tortillas to the collection port, where they are collected by hand, weighed, and packaged for sale and distribution to the many taco stands and restaurants in the city. So if you're looking for fresh tortillas, just ask one of the locals and he'll direct you to where the closest tortilla factory is. Or you can simply walk around the neighborhood and listen for one. They are quite noisy, you can hear lots of squeaks, so they're quite easy to locate and find.